In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable reminders show as overdue on iPhone. So I'm starting right on the iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Settings app. Once Settings is open, I'm going to scroll down through the main list until I find Apps. There are a lot of items here, so just keep scrolling until you see Apps and then tap on it. Now that I'm inside the apps section, I'm going to scroll again because we need to get into the reminders settings. This list is basically all your apps, so I'm just moving down until I find reminders. Once reminders shows up, go ahead and tap on it, and that opens the settings for the reminders app. Alright, now I'm in the reminders settings, and this is where the option we need is located. From here I'm looking for a setting called show as overdue, so I'm just scanning the screen until I see show as overdue, and once it's on the screen you'll notice there's a toggle next to it. At this point you can either turn it on or turn it off depending on what you want. If you want reminders to show items as overdue, tap the toggle so it switches on. If you'd rather disable that and not have reminders marked that way, tap the same toggle so it switches off. I'm going to tap the switch now, and as soon as it changes position, the setting updates immediately. There's no save button here, and there's no extra confirmation prompt. The toggle itself is the control, so once it's set to the on position or the off position, that means your choice is already applied. I usually pause for a second just to make sure it's set the way I want, and once it looks right, you're done. So just to keep the path clear, you open settings, scroll down and tap apps, scroll down and tap reminders, and then you turn show as overdue on or off. That's the entire process. And it only takes a few taps once you know where to find it. If you're following along and you don't see show as overdue right away, just scroll a little within the reminder settings until it comes into view. Sometimes it's just slightly lower down depending on how your menu is laid out. The main thing is you're in the correct place as long as you're inside settings for reminders, and then it's just that one toggle. Once you've set it to your preference, you can back out of settings whenever you want. Your iPhone keeps the change automatically, so you don't have to do anything else after flipping the switch. And if you ever want to change it again later, you'll come right back to the same spot and toggle it the other way. And that's it. That's how to enable or disable show as overdue for reminders on iPhone from the Settings app.